students struggle with anatomy and physiology. The topics in it are hard and confusing, and I want to put an end to that. I want you to stop struggling and start learning. My name is Dr. Vanessa Rowan, and I have my PhD in integrative biology. After I got my PhD, I decided that I really enjoy teaching, and so went on to teaching mostly anatomy and physiology. Of course, that was a great fit because my passion has always been learning about the body and how the body works. But while I was teaching, I really realized that students struggled with learning the material presented in anatomy and physiology. The topics were difficult, the concepts were foreign, and so I really strived to present the material in ways that the students could understand. And it worked because a lot of my feedback came back that they were able to understand that I was relatable and that they really got a good grasp of the information that I was giving them in class. And so I started my YouTube channel, and I started putting videos up there that were little bite-sized pieces, easy to understand, just as I would do as if I were lecturing in my class. And the feedback came back that this is what students were wanting, this was what was needed, and they were really learning from my videos. Now, I want to take it a step further. With my guide to anatomy and physiology, I am taking those difficult concepts in anatomy and physiology and making them easier to understand. I'm writing up blurbs that help explain the information maybe in a different way. And then after that, I have activities that help to engage in learning the material so that you can take that away and be able to really retain the information. There's even writing in there, recaps. Let's recap, let's write that down, because not only hearing it and seeing it, but writing it helps with being able to remember that material. But even further, this guide is being written with a wide audience range, from students in high school or college who are taking the class, to teachers and professors who are teaching the class and just want to use this as a supplement. But even more, there is something for everyone. Through this guide, I hope to fuel a passion for anatomy and physiology and increase health literacy. So I'm asking you right now, Kickstarter, come and join me along my journey in making anatomy and physiology fun, enjoyable, and accessible, that students can start to learn this material and have that aha moment, turning confusion into clarity.